Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have this awesome cake. It's with almond and seasonal fruit, and it's so easy to prepare, just a few ingredients, and it's delicious. So I really need you to watch this cake, and also you have to bake it. I'm gonna start with batter, for which I'm gonna need only 300 grams of almonds, and I have here a combination of full almonds and laminated one. This is what I had around the house, so I used them all. 200 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 20 milliliters of lemon juice, 6 eggs, and cinnamon. I'm gonna start making these almonds flour. So if you find the flour, it's gonna be easier, but making your own flour is better, because the cake is gonna be really tasty in the end. So grind them really fine with a food processor. Let this aside. I'm gonna crack 6 eggs in a larger bowl. I'm not gonna separate them, I'm gonna use them all, and mix them really good with a mixer. I'll add sugar and continue to mix until the sugar is almost dissolving. Add cinnamon, lemon zest, and lemon juice, and continue adding the flour, almond flour, and that's it. This is the batter. Pour this in a dish that you grease with butter and powder with some flour, and bake in the oven at 180 Celsius preheated oven, or 350 Fahrenheit, for about 35-40 minutes. Do the toothpick test and let the cake cool down completely. I pass with a knife around the edges just to make sure that the cake is not stuck to the dish. Now the fun part. Choose whatever fruit you like, and they're in season. I have here strawberries and cherries that I washed, some pineapple that I cut really fine, and this is all I need. Lots of fruits. The cake looks like has syrup in it, but I just made a mixture with 1 cup of powdered sugar and some rose water. I mix it like a paste and drizzle that on top of the cake. Keep the cake in the fridge and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy the recipe, and you're gonna actually prepare these. Find reasons to smile, and I'll see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, bye bye, stay safe.